Hey guys, Kiwi back at it with another video. This time I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Watch 7 40mm with the fabric band and sport band. And then I'm going to compare it to the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which are both 44mm long, and I'll see how it looks on hand. Everything in the box is the same as previous iterations, it's just the charger and the watch band. The new fabric watch band is pretty nice in color and it's really easy to adjust. Definitely like this. Here's a sport band that came included with the pre-order, and yeah, there's a new clicking mechanism that they didn't have before. Definitely easier to put on. Here's it compared to the Galaxy Watch 4. The Galaxy Watch 4 is 44mm and the Galaxy Watch 7 is 40, but it doesn't look that much bigger than it. It's about the same closeness to my wrist. And here's the Galaxy Watch 5 against it, 5 Pro. Here's how they look side by side, and hopefully that helps you. Peace!